Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this fun chevron and floral design. It's super easy, so stay tuned. Here is what I will be using. My base is Finger Paints Paper Mache. This is 2 coats. It used to be 1 coat, so I think they've changed their formula on this, but you just use whatever white works best for you. My navy blue stamping polish is from Bundle Monster. This one is called Midnight Madness. Using just my favorite top coat. The liquid latex I will be using is from Queen. I will be using 2 stampers. One is from Uber Chic for my stamping, and I will be using this Queen one for my decal transfer. And last but not least, I will be using this plate from Uber Chic. This is their Got Chevron plate. This is rather new, and I won this in their giveaway when they first launched them. So there's that. All right, to get started, you're going to want to lay down your base. This is 2 coats of Finger Paints Paper Mache. I then went ahead and went around it with some latex. Once that is all dry, you can move into your stamping. So again, this is Bundle Monster's Midnight Madness for my blue. Once you have placed your stamping, you're going to want to go around the edges and just lightly separate it from itself. There's not a whole lot of acetone on this brush, just because this stamping blue will run and stain my cuticles. So that is why I didn't put a whole lot of acetone. I didn't do a whole lot of cleanup before removing this peel. All right, and then we can move on to our decals. The decals I will be using for this video are just some that I picked up from AliExpress. So if you just get on there, you can find a good variety of decals that you can use, and they're relatively cheap. I chose these mustard and pink roses because I think it complements the blue very nicely. So what you'll do with your decal is you will slip it into some water. And I cut all of these apart individually. First I cut it apart from the sheet, and then I take off the clear plastic sheet, and then I cut the flowers apart individually so that I'm not peeling off little pieces of plastic for all of them. I do only cut as many as I know that I will need. So once this has soaked for about 20 seconds, you are going to place it onto your Queen stamper. I do take this and drip it off a little bit and blow on it. I will even take it over to a paper towel and tap the edge of it on the paper towel to get some excess water off. All right, but then you're just going to place that on top, put your finger on it, and slide that piece of paper off. Then we are going to come over here and just angle it down into that bottom corner. And I didn't put any top coat on this finger before applying the decal. If you just press hard enough and leave it on long enough, it will transfer just fine without it. Cleanup brush dipped in some acetone once again and melt that sticker edge off. All right, once that is complete, you can go ahead and top it off with your favorite top coat. This is a fast dry top coat. And here is your finished design. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on all my social media sites. There's Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I leave them all linked down below in the description box. And as always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.